How to add your blogger site on Google Search Console. Okay, let's go. So the first step is to go to your browser and log in on your blogger account, and click on the menu bar, then scroll down and go to settings. Then on settings, scroll down and locate Google Search Console. Okay, under crawlers and indexing, you can see Google Search Console here. So click on Google Search Console. Okay guys, this is a Google Search Console, and there are two ways to add your site on Google Search Console. So either you go by domain or URL prefix. So I would like us to go with domain. Domain only requires some DNS verification. So let's go by adding your domain. So after inputting your domain name, just click on continue. So this is the next report, ownership auto verified. So I've already verified the DNS verification. So just click on go to property. So this is the Google Search Console, and as you can see, so this is the welcome note, and just set everything, and this is the overview. So you can see I've added the site. So these are the menu, overview, and these are the menu, overview, performance, URL inspection, pages, sitemap, remover, page experience, core web vitals, and many others. So this is how to add your blogger site on Google Search Console.